Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can add a password on any apps in your Redmi or Xiaomi phone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to add a password to any apps on your device, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to your settings. Once you're on settings, next, scroll down until you find the apps option. And once you've found it, just go and tap it. Then right here, you will now be able to see the app lock option at the bottom, just go and tap it. And then right here, tap the turn on button. Then after that, you will just need to set the password pattern that you want for your apps. I can't show it to you guys since my screen recording always turned black on this part. I think screen recording this part is not allowed. But I think y'all already know how to set up your own password, so I don't need to show it to you. And in this part, it doesn't really matter what to tap between these two, just tap whatever you want. And after that, right here, you can now select all the apps that you want to have the password. The apps with a check icon are the apps that will have the password. And once you've finished selecting the apps, you can now tap this. And after that, it's done. Your apps will now have a password. And if you want to add an app that will have the password, just scroll down, then you will now see the other apps. And then just turn this on to include it to the apps that will have a password. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.